In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset HeroFX demo account. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the Accounts tab, and then you want to scroll down to where you can see your demo accounts. Now, the most important thing I have to tell you here is that you can't actually reset the demo account per se. However, you can go ahead and deposit or just open up a new one, which is going to be a fresh one, and then basically it's like you've reset it. So I'm going to click on one I have over here, down here at the bottom. And then if you basically want to reset the balance, click on deposit over here, and whatever your initial balance was, like let's say it was 10K, you can just type in 10K, click on deposit, and that much is going to be deposited on here. And as you can see, I've kind of reset it that way. So in case you've been trading with your demo account, like paper money, then of course you've probably used some of your balance and you want to reset back to normal, you can just go ahead and click on deposit, and of course deposit however much of this paper money that you want. So that's the first way. Now the second one, if you want to completely wipe the account, you can't delete it, unfortunately. Well, you could if you go ahead and message support, so that's one way, but of course the easiest way would just be to go ahead and click on plus demo account here, and then just create a new account either on TradeLocker or the MT5, and then that way you've successfully reset your demo account, and of course you can go ahead and start trading with the fresh account which doesn't have any history. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.